So today we're going to be reading Nothing Gold Can Stay by Robert Frost, and we're going to be analyzing this poem. Ryan, would you like to start off by giving us the first read of the poem?
Nature's first green is gold, her hardest hue to hold.
Yes, we can keep going.
Her early leaves a flower, but only so an hour. Then leaf subsides to leaf. So Eden sank to grief. So dawn goes down to day. Nothing gold can stay.
Thank you. Does anybody have any initial thoughts about the poem? Any initial reactions?
It's sad.
Can you say more about that? Why do you think it's sad?
Because, we like daytime and grief. Grief means that you're sad, so Eden is getting sad, and then dawn goes into the day, and, I don't know, it's sad.
Absolutely. I think that's a good first layer analysis. So today in class, we're going to be learning about connotations of words so that we can take those feelings one step further and go into the second layer of analysis. So a connotation is an idea, feeling, or mood that a word invokes. So invokes to bring out. So an idea that a word makes us think of, or a feeling that it makes us experience, okay? So pretty much any word can have a connotation. So for example, if I say the word beach, what kind of moods or feelings do you think of?
Hot.
Hot, that's a good one.
Sand, water.
Sand and water, great. What about more moods or feelings? You hear the word beach.
Happy.
Happy.
Hot.
Relaxing, all great ones. Okay, now what about if we took a color? What about if we used the color red?
Angry.
Great one, great.
Violet.
Violent, yes. So those are all great connotations of the word red. So we would say the word red connotes those, okay? So now we're going to tie this back into the poem, and let's take a look at the first line. Shayna, could you read the first line, the very top one?
Nature's first green is gold.
Great. Okay. So let's unpack that line a little bit by looking into some of the connotations that those words have. Let's start with the word green. What kind of images does the word green make you think of? Plants. Grass. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Envy. Good one. What kind of feelings or moods do we think about when we think of something green? Sick.
Because of the green emoji.
Definitely. So a good thing to also realize is that connotations can come, one word can make us think of a lot of different connotations, and then we have to use the context of the poem we have at hand to pick which ones are probably most appropriate. So we have the first word in this poem is nature. So what do we think green might be trying to connote here with relation to nature? Grass.
Like an abundance.
Do you think something growing? Green. What does nature do, right? It blooms. Okay, right. So then we connect that with gold. What does gold make you guys think of? Fancy, wealth. Or gold. Valuable. Right. Earrings, beautiful, right? And valuable. It's a nice ring.
Beautiful.
Right. So when this first line says nature's first green is gold, now applying what we learned about the connotations of these words, what might the further meaning be? That's something that is green is gold.
That's something that is growing is beautiful.
Excellent. That's a great interpretation. So I want you guys to go through this poem now and circle words that make you feel something, an emotion, a mood, a connotation, and write a couple things about what this might mean. Okay, so we're going to switch gears a little bit, and if you guys can flip to the back of your sheets, I want to teach you a little song so that you can remember what a connotation is and why it's important to use when we're analyzing a poem. So we're going to do this as a repeat after me song. It's probably going to be to a tune you guys recognize, so I think you'll be able to get it. Okay, repeat each line after me. Connotation. A feeling or mood. That a word invokes. So a poem's meaning. Is understood. Great job. Let's try it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Connotation. A feeling or mood. that a word invokes, so a poem's meaning is understood.